Start the clock, because this is about to be the fastest flight school episode ever. Lucky for you, the rocket skill is not rocket science. Rocket is one of the one-shot skills that could be performed using either the app or the controller. While performing a rocket, Skydio 2 will fly straight up to a specified height before returning to its starting point. After selecting Rocket from the skills menu, you can choose whether or not you'd like to track a subject by tapping the blue plus button. Press Start Rocket to initiate a 3-second countdown before your rocket starts. You can also go into the Rocket Settings menu to adjust the height and speed at which Skydio 2 will fly. You can also select whether or not you want your rocket to start automatically. Because Rocket will go straight up, it is a great way to reveal the textures and landscape from the top down. We recommend trying Rocket when you are moving at medium or high speeds for unique reveals of the landscape as you ride. Time! Bonk. Out. Did you know that studies show people who subscribe to this channel are 99% more likely to become awesome Skydio pilots? What can I say? It's science. Time is of the essence. Time!
There we go.
Time. Bonk out.